seeing as I'm on a today, I'm having one carb for lunch. See, one carb. I'm on a low carb diet. That's why I drive with a Honda, doing one carb per ride. Just tell me to shut up. All right, this thing. This is an original Honda Keihin, made in Japan, carburetor. Do I know anything about carbs? No. What I want to do is take it apart. Then I'm going to put it in a bag and I'm going to try to send it to somebody who knows what the hell they're doing. Also, I need to take it off because I want to take a picture of this. There's a broken piece right here. I know we can replace this. Screws are a little bit messed up on here. I want to see what's busted and broken, and so I'm gonna take this carburetor apart. Plus, I'm nosy. I like to see what's inside these things. Somebody took the thing off. No, I didn't pay $400 for this thing. I was gonna buy another one online for parts, but why can't they make? I should find some better carb. Like, they should make better screws for these things. Just look, does that happen to all of them? Like, why can't they make a good set of? What is this thing? Okay, here we go. There's the floats. Oh, this is ugly. That's really ugly in there. See? I don't know if you can see that. There. Let me move this closer. Yeah. You can get a better view. Let's take this down here a little. Come on. Great. Should have fixed this before. Yeah, that's what they all say. Fix it before, and it's all perfect. There we go. Now we should have a shadow. There we go. Now you can see inside it. There's the inside. Apparently this float comes out somehow. Somebody been messing with this. Stuff is all cheeky. Let's open this side. I don't know why this has big flat screws on it too. Oh, somebody twerked this thing. I will probably buy another one for parts. I should put my parts cleaner back together and give it a rub-a-dub-dub and a little bit of a scrub. And I should probably get some. How does this come off? I gotta push the pin out of there. I guess these things get so old and just sit under the bike and wet and stuff. Well, actually, you know what? This is a different type of metal than the screws. Clearly, that's why they all get. What do they call that? Galvanic corrosion. That word is just fun to use. I have the original carb for the other bike somewhere. So here we go. The inside of this don't look too terrible. Doesn't look that terrible. Of course, this is all bent. There's tons of dirt in here. There's a shit ton of dirt in there. I wonder if I got a pin. Something to push this out with. That looks like it. I gotta push that pin out. I don't want to break the float. But does it come out? How the hell does the float come out? I need something to push it in. Let's see. There's something pointy. Something pointy. Like a screwdriver, maybe? Will that come out? I'll push it out. There we go. Oh, that's not too bad. Just need a small pair of cheap pliers. Hold on, let me get some pliers. Little. Small pair of pliers. There we go. That comes up pretty easy, I guess. There we go, there's the pin. And the float comes out like so. Spindle bobber. This little piece goes in there. I don't know what these do, but it's cool. What else comes out? I could have swore we had a miniature thing in here. There we go. A croissant wrench. This is an actual croissant wrench. See if we can get this out of here. Okay, that's. That looks like. This looks like the needle. Come on. There you go. I don't know which way that one. Did that go in there? Or did that go in there? Yeah, that's missing. That little piece is in there. Came out of there. I'm guessing that's the needle. What all this does, I don't know. I have no idea. I don't like this set. I don't build cars. Right, this one is loose too. Somebody loosened this whole thing up. Whee, there's another little jet with a spring, I think. Looks like it's a little bit dirty. Anything else gonna fall in there? Let's try to take this one out now. Klein tools. Where's my... Why do I forget how to open this thing? Why did I forget it? How did I forget? There we go. Where's the other ones? They're inside here, I think. I don't remember how the hell. Where's all the other bits? Oh, I remember now. Okay. Let's take this out of here now. Why am I not marking anything down? Because I'm gonna clean it all off. There's the other little piece right here. What else? I could probably take this off here. Little hose piece. Come on. I don't know how to take that off. I'm guessing it just slides off. There's a little hose. That's a little corroded. That's a little corroded. My corroded. Okay. The last person who worked on this carb or did something to it basically loosened up all the screws. Somebody was playing around in here. I'm not the first one. So there's one screw. These are the teensy screws. I think I'm gonna get an ultrasonic cleaner sometime soon. That'll be. That looks like it needs a new seal too. This is all. See, like this. Soon I'll be able to replate them. Now, what about this? This is yeah. How does this come apart? Do I even want to try taking this apart? I don't think so. That's got a pin in there. This looks like it needs to be changed. It's all bent. Could probably clean it all. Okay, so this. This is all bent right here. It's got a little bit of a wobble in it. What else comes off here? I guess I should check in here. Let's see what happens when I do this. There we go. Take this off here, see what happens. Does that come up? How's that work? There's no spring clip in there. Is that a plastic clip? How in the world? I don't even want to do this. Should I even do it? I don't know. Oy vey. How does that come out? All scared. I'm going to send this to a professional. Let's put that back in there. So let's see. Do I have a brush here? Like, it doesn't look. It's It's got a lot of shitload of dirt on it. There's crud inside. How did, like, then again, it's a carburetor. How does crud get in there? Yeah, it makes sense. Crud gets in there. But I wonder how this comes out. There's got to be, I would assume you take that out, and then this would slide out of here. Pull this pin out, and this thing would slide off there. You need a thing to remove the pin on here, and then this probably just pops out, and that's just connected by a, whatever the hell this is. So, yeah. Blah, blah, blah. There's a lot of crud in here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to send this to a, what do you call it, 223 cycles and see what they say. See if we could fix it or whatever. I hear many, many good things about that place, and I'm going to call them up and ask them, well, do I just send the carb? What do I do? So, looks like fun. Should I put it back together? Yeah, probably. I know what I'm doing. There's the seal on it. The little seal goes in this way. It's like completely full of crud. Crud monster! So anyway, I'm going to send the carbs out because do I look like a carb expert? No. I'm no carb expert. I just like to see inside stuff. It's always good to know, like if you mention it, like if somebody says, oh, the little thingamabobber in there and this, that, whatever. It's always good to know what they're talking about because I don't. Sometimes I'm like, never seen it. But kudos to whoever repairs these things because, man, you got to have patience. You got to know what you're doing because if not, you could kill one of these things. All right, this goes back in here. See, this is crooked, so you got to be careful. It doesn't, when you screw it back in, it's all crooked. Crookedy crooked. I don't think I took anything else out of here. Apparently these covers are hard to come by too. This is supposed to go on. There's something missing on this end, clearly. I will look for some more rebuild kits. I know I'd like to pretend I know what I'm doing and try to fix one of these one day. Maybe. Who knows? It'd be nice to learn how. Brass screws. These on there. This one's like stripped out. Whoever had the great idea to use hex screws for these things. I think I seen online it was replacement hex screws for this. Yeah, that's the thing that's missing. So this one went in, where is it here? I think that was in there. Maybe, I don't know, we'll find out when I've screwed this up. All right, this one was in here. See that? This is all chipped out here. Don't even think this is any good. It's all schmucked. Somebody must have had a problem putting these in. Where's this go now? Where does it go? In there? Maybe it went in there. Maybe this one went in here. Yeah, that was in there. That was in there. This one was in here. Oh my God, Becky, look at that. There you go. And down there. Okay, that's good enough. This little pipe. The float goes in here. Practicing for the apocalypse. So when the grid goes down, I know how to put this thing back together. So when I can't, what do you call it? Calling me up and, there you go. I did it wrong again. See? Gotta push this out. I forgot the little piece in there. I forgot to put a little piece in there. Well. Forgot to put the little jinglebobber in there. There we go. little Bobby. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Get over here. Get over there. Where does that go? Goes in there. Okay, so we go like that. Put that on there. That goes in there. The pin goes in there. And by no means, if you're watching this video, come late to this video, do I know what the hell I'm doing? Nope, sorry. I'm not going to pretend like I'm an expert at this, because I'm not. Me no expert. I wish I was. Be nice to have a different career one day. One day when I'm 95 years old, I'll have a career in carburetors. There we go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now, is this a salvageable carb? I don't know. I know the screws are kaplunk. This little piece is broken, so I don't know if that's a problem or what. But yeah, got a little hose. Where's the little hose come from? So the little hose came off of here. There we go. Anyway, it's back together. What was the point of this video? I don't know. Waste some time. Fix some stuff. See, that's all. It's crust monster in there. Anyway, keep watching my videos. I'll be playing with Hondas and other stuff. So thanks for watching. Toodles.